Shot the wrong one.
I shot the wrong jug.
You still shot it though. Okay, can I shoot now?
All right, now.
Oh God. I don't know. I don't know if I shot it. Don't do it.
All right, Gracie.
Do it again.
Orange, baby.
Wait, what?
It went right in the middle of the orange, baby.
I think I used my left side. I don't know what I used.
Yeah.
I know what.
All right, it's ready to go. All you got to do is
You know what I was doing?
Or you want me to?
No, wait, no. Wait, what did you say about the target? I want to do it.
You want to try to shoot this one?
I'll do it.
Right beside yours, in the middle. Look, with the scope. See it?
Oh my gosh. All right, give me. What? What'd you say?
What eye do you have open?
I.
Put your patch on.
What do you think she had on? You couldn't tell the way that head's cocked?
I'm going to shoot at the target again.
Daddy. Really?
Orange. Right beside the other three, too. All right, that shot pretty good. Try another one.
Now, bitch.
That's all you gotta do is pull the trigger. There's no, I don't have it on safe nothing. Just shoot it. Come here, Queenie. Come here, Queenie. Come here.
Queenie, come over here.
Shoot as fast as you can.
Let Vicky shoot it.
Vicky, yes!
Go.
Girl. Wait, what'd you say, Uncle Joe?
That don't have a
I'm
whole
telling
lot
you,
of
shoot
power.
as fast as you can shoot it.
Oh, I was getting, hold on, wait, okay.
Earphones
Hold
on?
on. Okay, go. I was gonna do that, but I had to get used to it first.
Don't touch that barrel.
Again, a bruise.
Hey, that barrel is hot.
Yeah?
Well, duh.
Put your hand right there. Just aim and shoot. Aim and shoot. Keep going.
How many bullets are left?
I don't know. I just let her shoot.
Hurry up, Dad. He shot trees. Oh God. He's doing like you did.
Empty.
Okay, now I want to do that. Is there any bullets left? Okay, I want to do that now. That was funny.
Dude, if mine shoots as sweet as this one,
Hurry up, I want to do.
I will be a happy son bitch. You hear me?
Dad, I don't need this.
I want you shooting using that right eye, Gracie.
Huh?
Use your right eye.
I've been doing that.
That barrel's hot.
Huh?
That barrel's hot.
Yeah, don't touch that barrel.
Hold on. I'm coming over here. Hold on.
What you think?
It's okay. I just got to get used to it, though.
Go for it. Set it on the table. It's hot now.
Yeah, that bitch is hot, dude.
Okay, I hit that metal target. It shot back at it right there. But it didn't catch, so good.
You know what? Fuck y'all with this shit.
Huh?